Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you something exciting. What is that? That is Coursera is providing 100 plus of free courses to their user. So anybody can grab the chance. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So firstly, I'm going to open my browser and search for Coursera Business Insider. As you can see, the Coursera Business Insider is written over here. And looking for their website, as you can see, the website which provide us with promo codes for the courses, which will make us these courses for free, and it cost $0. And previously it is valid up to 31st. Now it's valid up to 31st of July. As it is written over here, as you can see, May 31st, but it is actually extended. I will show you in the official website where it is written. So as you can see, here are the instructions how you can get the free access to it. Scrolling down a bit, as you can see, the health related courses, as well as arts and humanities related courses, business related courses, data science, computer science, mathematics, cloud technology, anything about them you can get it for free. Suppose, let me just show you one of the courses. Suppose I am clicking on C++ for C programs. As you can see, it's open and it is from a University of California, Santa Cruz. So I will personally recommend you for going in the Coursera certificates because it gives you a professional recognition, as all of these courses are held by the foreign university, which is of great value for today's market. So as you can see, Coursera together enroll today and get these courses for free, and it is valid up to 7/31st, that is of July of 31st. You can apply, that means you can enroll up to this valid date. After that you can access to these courses throughout your lifetime whenever you want. So I'm clicking on this tab, enroll for free. After clicking on this tab, as you can see here, sign up is showing. You can also sign up. I am having my account, so I am just simply logging into it. Here, as you can see, this is my email and password is always already written. I'm clicking on the login option. After this interface is going to open again. So it's again showing me like this. This course cost of 2,216, which is a great cost. As you can see, audit only, you will access to all these courses except graded item. If you only want audit only, you can choose this one, but you couldn't get any certificate related to these courses. If you want the certificate, I will show you how to make it for free. This is the amount written over here. If we press on continue, Business Insider will help us to get us the promo code during the checkout point. As you can see, it's showing something like this. Discount of rupees 2,216 is given over here. So it's a free. So pay now, click on this pay now, and it costs of $0, as you can see. Continue to this. Congratulations, an email confirmation has been sent to Shruti Center 25. That means an email already came to my account regarding this, that I have applied for this course. You can see, clicking on this course will take me to the course arena where it will start my course. So you can see I got enrolled for the courses and the course gets started. So this way you can join 100 plus courses for free for Coursera. You can enroll now and access anytime you want. And this is for both professional businessmen also, and also for the students who are pursuing their grades. So hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, press the like button. If you have any query regarding these courses, you can just comment down below. And if you feel like to subscribe, you can subscribe to my channel. I will bring up new contents every day. Thank you for watching.